everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe. So this video is again a shopping video. So right now I'm on my way to reach Big Bazaar because Big Bazaar has a great offers going on, which is the Republic Day sale. So it is from 26th of January to 31st of January. So right now I'm on my way to the Kundanalli branch. So here there is a Big Bazaar. So you can reach any nearest store. All the Big Bazaar has the same offers going on. And I've already made a part 1 of this video, which is all about the women's wear. Do check it out. So if you love such videos, make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And right now we are on the basement, so let's go upstairs and check out what all they have. So when you enter the place, they have this beautiful photo frames which can be made. So Big Bazaar also have some food stalls. So this video is all about footwear, menswear and kidswear. So once you enter the place, you will find the amazing collections in footwear and everything is at a reasonable price. And the men's formal shoes starts at Rs 799. So Big Bazaar has a great offers going on in women's wear. I recommend you all to do check out the video. So over here they have a lot of collections in footwear. So these beautiful flats are very reasonable. So it is just for Rs 499. So this time Big Bazaar has a wide range of collections and they have nice designs. They also have some beautiful pointed heels, block heels. So these are very reasonable. It starts at Rs 499. So the sale starts from buy one get one free to 50%, 30% and even 20% off. And they do have some ethnic flats and shoes. So all of these are very affordable. So all these are the daily wear flats. And they have a lot of collections in it and you also get different size. So this part has a great offer which is 70% off. So this counter is all about great sale. I recommend you all to visit this place because over here it has 70% off on all these shoes and flats. So now coming to the next counter, which is the clothes. So right now I'm showing you all the men's wear and the kids wear because I've already made a video of the women's wear. Do check it out. So the same offer goes even to the kids wear. Buy one get one free, or it is $5.99, $4.99. They have great deals this year. So in kids wear, starting from girls to boys, it starts at Rs 169. So all these tees are just for Rs 169 and they do have jeans. So in jeans they have 50% off. So now coming to the girls section. So the girls section looks very beautiful because of these beautiful colors. So all of these are daily wear pants or night pants which are very reasonable, starting at Rs 99. So in girls section, I just love this tiny skirts, and these are very cute, and it is just for rupees 249. You get it in different colors. So now coming to the men's section, so they have great deals going on men's section. So these are the tracks. So in the men's section, the t-shirts and shirts starts at rupees 499. And if you have any queries regarding the location or anything, you can ping me on Instagram, or else you can drop down a message in the comment section. So all these shorts are just for rupees 599, and they have different size. So this one is just for rupees 399, and they have different shades in this. They do have formal wear. So all the formal wear starts at rupees 599, and they do have 50% off. And they do have beautiful denim jeans. So in denim jeans, they have a lot of collections. So now coming to the men's footwear, they have a lot of collections in men's footwear. So all these flats are just for rupees 299. So I suggest you all to go to Big Bazaar, because this sale is just for 6 days. So please go visit the store. So we just finished shopping in Big Bazaar. So we left home at 5:30. So now the time is 8:30 to 9. So it's quite late. So we are planning to go out and have our dinner. So let's go there. So we've come to Udupi Park. So this is located in Kundanalli. So we just order our food. We are waiting for that. So we just had our dinner at Udupi Park. So it is located in Kundanalli. It is a vegetarian hotel. So I recommend you all to go to the taste because they have an amazing food. So here ends the video. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you all loved it. So we'll meet you soon on the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.